Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 36, chapter number 8, basic concepts of differential and integral calculus. In the previous lecture, we have solved the questions of exercise, right? So, in this lecture, we will continue with those questions, okay? So, let's start with question number 16. So, question is, given x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Now find out the dy by dx is calculated as. Here x and y both are in the form of t. Okay. So x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. And what we have to find out? Dy by dx. So here dx by dt, differentiation of x with respect to t, because here x is in the function or in the form of t. Okay, so d by dt of 80 square, a common, d by dt of t square, a t square means d by dt of t square means 2t. So it is 2at, t square, d by dx of x raised to n form. So formula of this, n into x raised to n minus 1. So using this, t square is 2t. Okay. Now differentiate the y with respect to t. dy by dt is equal to 2a common, dt by dt. So dy by dt is equal to 2a into 1 is equal to 2a. Here we have to find out the dy by dx. Okay, so dy by dt by dx by dt. So you can easily find out the dy by dx after putting the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. dy by dt is 2a and dx by dt is 2at. So 2a cancel is equal to 1 upon t. So the answer is option C, 1 upon t. Here answer is C, 1 upon t. Okay. So option C is the right answer. Now move to the question number 17. Given x is equal to 2t plus 5. Again, x in the form of function of t, y also in the form of t. So differentiation of x and y with respect to t is possible. So x is equal to 2t plus 5. So dx by dt is equal to d by dt of 2t plus 5. 2 common, dt by dt plus 5 constant. So differentiation of constant is 0. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Y is equal to t square minus 2. So dy by dt is equal to d by dt of t square minus 2. d by dt of t square minus d by dt of 2 yani constant. T square 2t. Again remember the x raised to n, differentiation of x raised to n formula. So differentiation of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So here instead of x, here t is present. So t square is equal d by dt of t square is equal to 2t. Constant, differentiation of constant is 0 is equal to 2t. Here we have to find out the dy by dx. So here dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. dy by dt is 2t and dx by dt is 2. 2t upon 2, 2 cancel is equal to t. So dy by dx is equal to t. Check the options. T. Option A. Option A is the answer for question number 17. Okay. Now next question. Question number 18. If y is equal to 1 upon under root x, then dy by dx is equal to. So how can we find out the dy by dx? Think about it. Let's see. Y is equal to 1 upon under root x given. Okay. So you have to find out the dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 1 upon under root x. Okay. So you can write d by dx 1 upon under root x means 1 upon x raised to 1 half. You can write na? Okay. So d by dx of, again we can write x raised to minus 1 half in the numerator. Okay. So here you have to apply the formula d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 minus 2 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So you can write minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2. this is also the answer, okay, but in the options some other form is given. So convert this answer into the other form or check the options. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 1 upon x into x 1 by 2. So you can write minus 1 by 2 x 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So check the options. Minus 1 by 2 x under root x. Option C. Option C is the right answer. Okay. This is the answer, option C. Next question, question number 19. If x is equal to 3t square minus 1, y is equal to t cube minus t, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, so dy by dt upon dx by dt. So x is equal to 3t square minus 1. So dx by dt is equal to d by dt 3t square minus 1. 3 common, d by dt of t square minus d by dt of 1 is equal to 3t square means 2 into t, 2t minus constant term 0, 3 2s are 60. Okay. Now find out for y, dy by dt. Y is equal to t cube minus t. So dy by dt is equal to d by dt of t cube minus t. D by dt of t cube minus d by dt of t is equal to t cube. Again d by dx of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1 formula. So 3t n minus 1, so 2, 3t square minus dt by dt is 1. So here dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. 3t square minus 1 upon dx by dt is 60. 6t. So check the options. 3t minus 1, 3t square minus 1 upon 60. So option A is the right answer of question number 19. Okay. Understood? Now move to the next question. Question number 20. The slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to under root 4 minus x square at the point where the ordinate and the abscissa are equal. Here abscissa means x and ordinate means y. Okay, both are equal, which is given in the or mentioned in the question. Okay, curve y is equal to under root 4 minus x square. Y is equal to under root 4 minus x square. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root 4 minus x square. So there is a formula, d by dx of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x. Okay, so you can apply on this 1 upon 2 under root 4 minus x square. This is not the standard form. So again apply chain rule, d by dx of 4 minus x square. So 1 upon 2 under root 4 minus x square, d by dx of 4 minus d by dx of x square. So one upon 2 under root 4 minus x square, constant term, so differentiation is 0, minus differentiation of x square is 2x, is equal to minus 2x upon 2 under root 4 minus x square. 2 to cancel, so minus x upon 4 minus x square. Now check the options. Here one thing is given, na? Abscissa and ordinate are equal. So first minus x under root 4 minus x square is where y is equal to under root 4 minus x square. Okay, so put the y, and x or y both are equal. This is mentioned, so we can write y is equal to x into this equation. So in this, so minus x by x is equal to minus 1. Now check the options. Minus 1. So option A is the right answer. Minus 1 is the answer. Question number 21. The slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus x at the point where the line y is equal to 2 cuts the curve in the first quadrant is. Slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus x is given. Y is equal to 2 cuts the curve in the first quadrant. Okay, so find out the dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square minus x. X square 2x minus 1. Okay. Here y is equal to 2 is given. Y is equal to 2 is given. So y is equal to x square minus x. Put this value 2 is equal to x square minus x, because the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus x at the point where the line y is equal to 2 cuts. The line cut the curve at the point y is equal to 2. So put into this equation of curve. Okay. So 2 is equal to x square minus x. So you can write x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 ones are 2. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 2 plus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. Okay. But here y is equal to 2 cuts the curve in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, x and y both are positive. Okay. Plus sign. So x is equal to minus 1 is not possible. So x is equal to 2 is possible. So put this value into the dy by dx form. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 1. X is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 22. For the curve x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2hy is equal to 0, the value of dy by dx at 0, 0 is. For the curve x square plus y square plus 2gx. So take dy by dx of this curve. So d by dx of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2hy is equal to 0. So d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square plus d by dx of 2gx plus d by dx of 2hy is equal to 0. So d by dx of x square is 2x. For y square 2y, and write dy by dx plus 2g common, dx by dx means 1, plus 2h common, dy by dx is equal to 0. Now take dy by dx term one side. So dy by dx common 2y plus 2h is equal to minus 2g minus 2x. Okay. So dy by dx 2 common, y plus h is equal to minus 2 common, x plus g. 2 cancel. So dy by dx is equal to minus x plus g upon y plus h. Here 0, 0 point is given. Okay. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So dy by dx where 0, 0 point is equal to minus 0 plus g, 0 plus h is equal to minus g upon h. So option A is the right answer, minus g upon h. Okay. Now question number 23. Here if y is equal to e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x, then dy by dx is equal to y is equal to e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x given. Okay. Take the differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x. So u by v formula, using the u by v formula we can solve this question. Okay. So e3x denominator as it is, e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x as it is, d by dx of numerator e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x minus sign, numerator as it is, e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x, d by dx of e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x. Denominator e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x square. Now e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x but not in the standard form. So again take the differentiation of 3x, d by dx of 3x, or also you can write directly that d by dx of 3x is 3. Okay. Minus e raised to 2x, differentiation of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x. 2x is not the standard form, so again take the differentiation of 2x is 2. Minus sign e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x as it is. Now e raised to 3x, again take the differentiation of 3x is 3, plus sign 2 e raised to 2x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x whole square. Okay. Now multiply 3 e raised to 3x with this first term 3 into e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x. First term, this one is with the also multiply with this minus 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x plus 3 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x minus 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x. Again minus sign, e raised to 3x 3 e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x in the bracket. So plus 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x minus 3 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x minus plus minus 2 e raised to 2x e raised to 2x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x whole square. Now here minus sign is here, so after opening the bracket plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, so three e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x minus 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x plus 3 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x minus 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x. Now again minus sign, 3 e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x. Here plus becomes minus, so minus 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x. Minus becomes plus, plus 3 e raised to 2x into e raised to 3x. Minus becomes plus, plus 2 e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x. Okay. So check and cancel the same. 3 e raised to minus 2 e raised to 2x plus 2 e raised to 2x into 2x e raised to 2x. So here divide by e raised to e raised to 2x square is equal to minus 2e raised to 3x base same, base same, so 2x plus 3x plus 3e raised to 2x plus 3x minus 2e raised to 2x plus 3x plus 3e raised to 2x plus 3x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x whole square. Here minus 2e raised to 5x plus 3e raised to 5x plus here minus minus 2e raised to 5x plus 3e raised to 5x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x square. Here 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus 4, so 6 minus 4 is 3 plus 3 6 e raised to 5x minus 4 e raised to 5x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x whole square. 6 minus 4 to e raised to 5x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x whole square. So check the options. To e raised to 5x upon e raised to 5x plus e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x whole square. So option A is not the answer, B and C also not the answer. So option D is the answer, none of this. So option D is the answer. Now question number 24. X raised to y into y raised to x is equal to m, where m is constant, then dy by dx is equal to x raised to y into y raised to x is equal to m, where m is constant, then dy by dx is equal to. So here start with x raised to y into y raised to x is equal to m. Okay, so we have to take log both the side. So take log x raised to y into y raised to x is equal to log m. Okay, so log product term, so we can write log x raised to y plus log y raised to x is equal to log m. So here y power, we can write y log x plus x log y is equal to log m. Okay. So you can easily differentiate this. Okay. So now take the differentiation. So here d by dx of y log x plus x log y is equal to d by dx of log m. Here m is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0. So here y as it is product term, use the u into v formula, d by dx of u into v formula. So y as it is d by dx of log x plus log x as it is d by dx of y. Same for the x into log y plus x as it is d by dx of log y plus log y as it is dx by dx. Constant term, log m is constant, so 0. Okay. So y d by dx of log x is, there is a one formula of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So we can write 1 upon x plus log x as it is dy by dx plus x log y, so 1 upon y, but here differentiation with respect to x, so you have to write dy by dx plus log dx by dx, so log dx by dx means 1. Okay, so only here only you have to write log y is equal to 0. So y by x plus log x dy by dx plus x upon y dy by dx plus log y is equal to 0. So take the dy by dx term one side. So dy by dx common. So you have to write in the bracket log x plus x upon y. Log x plus x by y is equal to minus log y minus y upon x minus log y minus y upon x. Okay. So here dy by dx y log x plus x upon y is equal to minus common x log y plus y upon x. So dy by dx is equal to minus sign y by x log y plus y upon y log x plus x. Okay, so check the answers. Minus y by x log y plus y upon y log x plus x. Here option A is not the answer, option B. So here if there is a one mistake, then option B becomes the true answer. Here instead of x there is y by misprint or anything else. If y log x plus x, then B becomes the answer. And at this time, if we consider the same option or consider the same x here, x is here, so option B is not the answer. Option C also not the answer, so option D is the answer. Okay, so option D is the answer. Question number 25. Given x is equal to t plus t raised to minus 1, y is equal to t minus t raised to minus 1. The value of dy by dx at t is equal to 2 is. So, for dy by dx, you have to find out the dy by dt and dx by dt, because dy by dx is the ratio of dy by dt by dx by dt. So, x is equal to t plus t raised to minus 1. So, take dx by dt, d by dt of t plus t raised to minus 1. So, dt by dt plus d by dt of t raised to minus 1. So, dx by dt is equal to 1 plus, here you have to use the formula x raised to n. D by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Here t instead of x, here t is present. So, minus 1 t raised to minus 1 minus 1. So, 1 minus t raised to minus 2. Okay. Now, find out this is the dx by dt. Now, find out the dy by dt. So, y is equal to t minus t raised to minus 1. Y is equal to t minus t raised to minus 1. So, dy by dt is equal to d by dt of t minus t raised to minus 1. So, dt by dt minus d by dt of t raised to minus 1. 1 minus minus 1 t raised to minus 1 minus 1. So, here one minus minus plus t raised to minus 2. So, now find out the dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. 1 minus t raised to minus 2, 1 plus t raised to minus 2, 1 minus t raised to minus 2. Okay. So, 1 plus 1 upon t square, 1 minus 1 upon t square is equal to t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1 upon t square. So, t square cancel. So, dy by dx is equal to t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1. At t is equal to 2, you have to find out for t is equal to 2. So put the value into this equation. So 2 square plus 1 upon 2 square minus 1. 2 square 4 plus 1. 2 square 4 minus 1. 4 plus 1 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 5 by 3 is the answer. So here option C 5 by 3 is the answer. Now question number 26. If x cube minus 2x square y square plus 5x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, then dy by dx at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is equal to. Now take the differentiation. D by dx of x cube minus 2x square y square plus 5x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So d by dx of x cube minus 2 common, d by dx of x square into y square plus 5 d by dx by dx plus dy by dx minus d by dx of 5 is equal to 0. So x cube d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So you can write 3x square minus 2. Here you have to use product form u into v. D by dx of u into v. So take x square as it is, d by dx of y square plus y square as it is, d by dx of x square plus 5 dx by dx means 1 plus dy by dx constant term 0 is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 2 x square d by dx of y square means 2y dy by dx plus y square d by dx of x square is 2x. Okay. Plus 5 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 2 3x square minus 2 in the bracket x square 2y. So it is 4x square y dy by dx minus 2 to the 4 xy square plus 5 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Take dy by dx term one side. So dy by dx 1 minus 4x square y is equal to 4xy square minus 3x square minus 5. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to 4xy square minus 3x minus 5 upon 1 minus 4x square y. Okay. So here put the x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So dy by dx at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is 4 into 1, 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 5 upon 1 minus 4, 1 square into 1. 4 minus 3 minus 5, 1 minus 4. So 4 minus 8, 1 minus 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 8 is minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Now check the options. 4 by 3. So option A is the answer. 4 by 3. Option A is the answer. 4 by 3. Next question. Question number 27. The derivative of x square into log x is. So consider y is equal to x square into log x. Okay. So take the derivation. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square into log x. Product form, u into v form, so x square as it is. D by dx of log x plus log x as it is, d by dx of x square. So x square log x means 1 upon x, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, plus log x, d by dx of x square is 2x. So x square by x plus 2x into log x. So x cancel, x 1x cancel, so it is x plus 2x into log x. So x, we can take the x common, 1 plus 2 log x. Okay, so check the options. X into 1 plus 2 log x. So option B is the right answer. Now question number 28. The derivative of 3 minus 5x upon 3 plus 5x is. So here take y is equal to 3 minus 5x upon 3 plus 5x. So dy by dx is equal to 3 plus 5x as it is, d by dx of 3 minus 5x minus sine 3 minus 5x as it is, d by dx of 3 plus 5x. Divide by 3 plus 5x whole square. So 3 plus 5x, d by dx of 3 is 0 minus 5x. Differentiation of 5x is 5 minus 3 minus 5x. Differentiation of 3 is 0. 5x. Differentiation of 5x is 5 plus 5. Divide by 3 plus 5x whole square. So three plus 5x minus 5 minus sine 3 minus 5x plus 5 upon 3 plus 5x whole square. So here minus 5 3s are 15, minus 5 5s are 25x, minus 5 3s are 15, minus minus plus 25x upon 3 plus 5x whole square. Minus 25x plus 25x cancel. Minus 15 minus 15, it is minus 30 upon 3 plus 5x whole square. So check the options. So option C is the right answer. Question number 29. Let y is equal to under root 2x plus 3 raised to 2x, then dy by dx is equal to. Now take dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root 2x plus d by dx of 3 raised to 2x. So here you have to use d by dx of root x formula is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x. Okay. And next formula is d by dx 3 raised to 2x. So for this you have to use a raised to x formula. Which formula? D by dx of a raised to x. So a raised to x is equal to d by dx of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x log a. Okay. So here d by dx of root x is root 2x is 1 upon 2 under root 2x. This is not the standard form. So d by dx of 2x. Okay. Plus d by dx of 3 raised to 2x. So a is equal to 3 and x instead of x here 2 raised to x. So 2x, sorry, 3 raised to 2x log 3 d by dx of here 2x. So d by dx of 2x, 2 common x, dx by dx 1, so 2 by 2 under root 2x plus 3 raised to 2x log 3, 2 common dx by dx, it means 2. So here 2 to cancel, so 1 upon under root 2x plus 2 into 3 raised to 2x log 3. This is the answer. Now take the option 1 upon under root 2x plus 2 into 3 raised to 2x plus log 3. This is option A. So option A is the right answer. Now question number 30. The derivative of log e raised to x into x minus 2 upon x plus 2 raised to 3 by 4 is, here first you have to simplify the formula. Log e log in the bracket e raised to x, x minus 2, x plus 2 raised to 3 by 4. So here log is used. Okay. So first simplify this. So log e raised to x plus, because in the product form, log x minus 2 upon x plus 2 raised to 3 by 4. Okay. So here log e raised to x. Okay. So log e base is e. So you can write x log e plus 3 by 4 log x minus 2 upon x plus 2. Okay. So it is x log e means 1. So only x plus 3 by 4 log x minus 2 upon x plus 2. Okay. You can also write x plus 3 by 4 log x minus 2 minus log x plus 2. Now take the differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to, here you can consider this as y. Okay, dy by dx. So d by dx of x plus 3 by 4 constant, d by dx of log x minus 2 minus log x plus 2. Okay. Dx by dx means 1 plus 3 by 4 d by dx of log x minus 2 minus 3 by 4 log d by dx of log x plus 2. Minus 3 by 4 d by dx of log x plus 2. So 1 plus 3 by 4 d log x, so 1 upon x minus 2 d by dx of x minus 2 minus 3 by 4 1 upon x plus 2 d by dx of x plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 into 1 upon x minus 2 dx by dx 1 minus 0 constant term, okay, and minus 3 by 4 into 1 upon x plus 2 dx by dx 1 and constant term 0. So 1 plus 3 by 4 x minus 2 minus 3 by 4 x plus 2. So 1 plus 3 by 4 common, 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 x plus 2 minus x minus 2, it becomes plus 2 upon x minus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 minus x cancel, two plus 2 4 x square minus 4 4 cancel, it is 1 plus 3 upon x square minus 4. So 1 plus 3 upon x square minus 4. So you can write x square minus 4 plus 3 upon x square minus 4. So it is x square minus 1 by x square minus 4. Okay. Now check the options. X square minus 1 upon x square minus 4. So option B is the right answer. So option B is the right answer. So this lecture is over here. Okay. So in the next lecture we will continue with the question number 31. Okay. So remember all the derivative formula and using this derivative formula you can solve the differentiation of all the questions. Okay. So remember it. Bye bye.